Good morning to all of you. Uh, as you know very well, last time the lecture is continue. Now we are studying about the human. We discussing about the branches, physical and the human. And the physical branches we write down and show you. And then human also today we are discussing about the human geography, in which we can say the human on the next page. I show you human, in which three types of it: social, culture, and population, and settlements, and economic, and also the part of historical, political. These all are the part of human geography. In the in the part we can say also population and settlement geography also divide into two parts: rural and urban. And economic geography, economics also part in the sixth part. I show you agriculture, industrial, tourism, infrastructure, and trade and transport, and services. These are the these all are the human branches part. And other side, physically, in which four parts: climatology, geo geomorpho, soil geography, and hydrology. These all are the branches of physical geography, and these all are the branches of human geography. Let's we start about these all are the branches: physical geography, principle of the principle and the philosophy, methods and techniques, and the human geography. First of all, we have to study about the principle and the philosophy. These are the two parts in the geography the two part of principal and the philosophical. These branches in geographical thought, in which we have to study about the geographers and their history and their lives, and what are the uh, part of geography in ancient times, what are the dark age. These all are the type of studying about in the geographical thoughts. And human ecology, it is a part of the human, what are the environment effect on the human activities and the human their ecological systems, in which these two parts of principle and the philosophy, geographical thought and the human ecology. And next one is a method and the technique. It is a four parts cartography, in which we have to study about the cartography, how we have to practical file which we have to prepare in proper directions in this field cartography. And quantitative technique also the part of, in which we have to study about the methods, sampling methods, random sampling, and these all are the we have to study about this. And the field survey is the part of the, in which we have to go on the field and survey about that object, survey about that village or proper channel, and studying about, and in which we have to prepare the file. And next one is the geographical informatic, in which we have to study about the JS, GPS and LIS. It means the geographical information system, and GPS means the global positioning system, and LIS means the land information system. It all the part of the geographical information system. And next one, the human and the physical. Next page we have to study about physically climatic, all the climatically factor and the climate also study in this climatology. And the geomorphology we have, last time concerned you, things about this geomorphology is in which we have to study about the all the type of the landforms and their structures, plateau, mountaining, all the land structure also studying in the geomorphology. Soil geography, in which all the type of the soils we have to study in the soil geography. Hydrology, in which we have to study about the all the oceanic factors and ocean, how they are how they are working, and uh, how they are come for hydrologically. We have to study about the hydrologically factors, in which we have to study about the oceanic factors, all the oceanic factors, currents, waves, in these all the things we have to study in this hydrological. And the human, in which we have to study about the social culture and the population and the settlements and the economics, politicals, historical. Population geography and the settlement also divided into two parts: rural and the urban geography. Rural, in which we have to rural studies, and urban, in which we have to urban population study. Economic geography, economics is also divided into the uh, six parts: agriculture, trade and the transportation, industrial services, tourism and the infrastructure. And next is the part we have to study about the branches of the geography based on the regional approach. Branches of geography based on regional approach. There are the four parts. First, regional study, and area study. And the second is regional planning. And the third is regional development. And fourth is regional analyze. Regional study and area also divided into three part: macro, meso, and micro regions. And regional planning also part of two: country and rural planning. And town and urban planning. Here I write the branches of geography based on the regional approach. These are the four types: regional study and the area study. It's also divided into three parts: micro region, meso regions, and the micro region. What is the regions? First of all, the question region. Region in which we have to study about the all the objects, all the living and the non-living things we have to study about. These all is called the region. And these are the part: micro, meso, and the micro. These are the smaller part, we can say the smaller, these are the medium, and these are the large. And it is the based on the regional, their population, and based on their area is called the regional study. Regional planning, how to plan the region, in which we have to uh, by physical factor, by human factor, both are. And in which we have to rural planning country and the rural planning, in which we can say the how we have to plan the rural area and the country plan. And in which town and the urban plannings, it means the how to plan the towns according their parameters, according their infrastructure, in which we have to plan. And regional development means after planning how we have to develop the region area, in which like a if we have to have an example of the regional planned area, how we can in our minds, one is Chandigarh is the planned city, in which we have to if you see, then we have to uh, all the things are planned. And regional planning, regional after planning we have to developing that regions. uh, After developing we have to regional analyze. If the region analyze, in which we have to region is downfall or upfall, the both are analysis in the regional analysis, in which we are study. Okay, thank you. If you have any problems branches regarding the branches of the geography based on the regional approach, then please contact me. on. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.